Hello and welcome to Transfer Switch FAQ videos. Today we will be discussing the benefits of having an availability timer. There are many basic features that are included in automatic transfer switching equipment nowadays. One of the main features of an TSE is the possibility to set different values on timers. Timer setting can greatly impact the way your product behaves in your installation. Let's take, for example, our availability timer. This parameter is present in all of Socomec's TSE product. What is an availability timer? Availability timer actually defines a new type of return timer that applies when the automatic transfer switch is in main gen configuration. It serves as a stabilization timer delay for voltage and frequency on genset sources, as well as to avoid momentary transients during initial generator set loading. Typical settings for the availability timer is usually around 5 seconds. How does the timer work? In the first transfer switch FAQ videos, we have seen how the fill and return timer works for an TSE or controller product. Well, the availability timer, or AT, is used when the TSE is configured in main gen settings. It will start as soon as the genset source voltage and frequency are within the threshold values defined for the emergency source. Let's say the TSE is first connected to a priority power source. In a main gen configuration, if the S1 source fails, the TSE will then send a stop gen signal in order to start the emergency power supply. Once the emergency source has reached the required voltage and frequency levels, the availability timer will start to count. Its purpose is to leave enough time for the TSE to check if the emergency power source is stable enough to allow a source transfer. Once the availability timer is over, the TSE can then transfer to a secondary power source. This timer is set by default in all Socomec automatic transfer switches, so you won't have to think about it later. It is only available in main gen configuration and is replaced by the source return timer in main configuration. Overall, our availability timer will allow better quality source transfer in order to increase your downstream load's lifespan. Thank you for watching our Transfer Switch FAQ videos. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact your Socomec representative. Bye-bye.